Do-dum, 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 do-dum. It's about to go down with that garlic butter. Woo! Can y'all guess what I'm about to make? I think you already know. Let's get to it. My man AB, it's AB, ain't it? Yeah, it's AB. Cooking with AB. Y'all ever watch this channel, man? I got to give my boy a shout out, man. He be doing it big, man, with the cooking. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, he kind of inspired me to do this chicken and shrimp fried rice. You know what I'm saying? Cooking and grilling with AB. He a cool dude. Y'all go check out his channel if y'all ain't never heard of it or check it out. But yeah, he was talking about how you let your eggs sit there and just do what it do. I can dig it. I can dig it. Alright, now we're gonna drop these shrimp up in here. But you know what, yo? Since I'm doing so much, I'm gonna cook my egg a little bit, and then I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna throw it back in there, but I gotta cook these shrimp all the way through, and I don't want my egg to keep on cooking, you feel me? Alright, yes sir. About to drop these shrimp up in there. And the size shrimp we are using, since people be liking to know that, is 21.25 per pound. Jumbo shrimp. Peeled and deveined. But yeah, man, you know, I know some don't, but you know, I ain't trying to spoil the cooking. But when you're just sitting here reflecting on, you know, things, you know, I lost my dad December the 30th, man. December the 30th. Crazy, man. Rest in peace, Pops. Good dude. Good dude. Just health problems, stupid ass COVID, and all kind of other stuff to go along with it, man. But yeah, his funeral's next week. You know, I've been going through it in my own ways, but I don't know, man. It's hard to even explain. But I just wanted to let y'all know that, you know what I'm saying? Going to send a prayer up for my pops and my family. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm doing this video for y'all so we can do this shrimp. You see how I turned them colors now? Yeah. I could have used a little bit more shrimp than this, to be perfectly honest. I can always add shrimp to the equation. You figure it out. Next is going in is the rice and egg. No, the egg. Cook the rest of that with this. Then the rice. Then the chicken and the green onions and all that and all that and all that. So just stay tuned. Yeah. I get in here, y'all, and just get to cooking like whatever. Like, man, I'm gonna put this together. nobody to eat with. That's crazy, huh? Who else does that? This is something new. You know what I'm saying? What I did with the steak though, I pre-cooked it in my Ninja in foil. So, you know, it can get as tender, because, you know, this steak can get overcooked fast. So, that's what I did. And now, I'm just finishing it off up in here, because it still had a lot of, what is that fat that be coming off of it when it's being cooked before it's all the way done. But yeah, I'm gonna add this to my shrimp and chicken, y'all. Faceman TV showing y'all how to do the shrimp, steak, chicken fried rice. Coming up soon. Yes, sir. Egg all through there. Want that egg wet. Bam. That garlic butter. Get one more piece. All right. Cold rice. Cold rice. Then we're gonna throw them green onions on up in there with a little bit of chopped onions. Throw them up in there. Soy sauce coming up. Yeah. Some of this garlic. Garlic up in there. Get that butter. Get that butter up in there. Yeah, get that garlic up in there. Only if y'all can smell it. What is we missing? What is we missing? Y'all already know what it is. A little bit more garlic butter. Yeah, this is but that ain't never too much. Ain't never too much. Man, is y'all seeing this? I hope y'all seeing this, because it's smelling quite amazing. You know what we about to add though. You know what we about to add. That chicken. Nice tender, what was it, breast? What was it, thigh, boneless? Not thigh, I think, yeah, thigh meat, yeah, not no breast, thigh. So, with my soy, some more soy. Got to get some more soy. know that broccoli coming next. It's already steamed and cooked. Can y'all smell that? Can y'all smell that? I like broccoli. Some don't. I do. It's the veggies for me. I didn't have the peas and carrots, so we substitute, right? Right. Right. Incorporate all that together. Turn it down on low. Get that broccoli nice and warm with that chicken. And hey man, this is gonna be one hell of a meal. That's pretty good. You know what I'm end up doing now? You know I got this Ninja over here, right? I'm about to take this out of here, put it in my Ninja and put it on warm so it ain't gotta cook. I don't want it cooking at the bottom like that. You feel me? One more thing. I wanted to add some steak to that. Would y'all like some steak to this? Huh? Would y'all like some steak? Oh, nice and juicy and hot. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Let's do that. Shrimp, steak, chicken, fried rice. Oh man. Who am I feeding? Shit, I don't even know. I don't even know. Just drop the whole thing up in there. Just drop the whole thing up in there. Juices and ooh, juices and all. Yeah, we're gonna put this in the Ninja and put it on warm. You feel me? Cause boy, does that look good. What do y'all think? Y'all like that? I think it's pretty. I'm about to tear this up, y'all. I ain't got no good lighting, but I'm sure y'all get the picture. Yes, sir. So, thanks for checking me out, cooking my meal in front of y'all. And hope y'all enjoyed the video. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. And I'll holler at y'all later. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee.